Hello guys, welcome to you. In this video, we are going to see how to download and install HP Laser 108W printer driver in a Windows 10 PC or laptop. It is a very easy and simple process. So let's go to our video. First, we check our PC or laptop is 32-bit or 64-bit. That is very easy to check it. Go to this PC, right click on this PC, click on the properties, wait for a few seconds, center it. In a properties, scroll down and find system type. If system type is 32-bit, that means that machine is 32-bit operating system machine. If system type is 64-bit, that means that machine is 64-bit operating system machine. This machine is 64-bit operating system machine. Close it. Next step is download our printer driver. That is also easy and simple. Go to any web browser that you like. Here type our printer name. Type our printer name HP Laser 108W printer driver. Type this and hit enter key on our keyboard. Type HP Laser 108W printer driver and hit enter key on our keyboard. First link is from the support.hp.com official website of the HP printer. Here we find our printer name and download. Open this first link. Whatever first link is, open that link. And official website of the HP printer is open. Here we find our printer name and here we find our printer name. Here we find our printer name and here we find our operating system and bit. If operating system or bit is not right, then click on choose a different OS. Select Windows in operating system. In a version, select Windows 10 32-bit. If its bit is 32-bit, if Windows 10 64-bit, then click on Windows 10 64-bit. Click on the updates, and after that, this page goes to the refresh. After that, scroll down, and here we find driver product installation software. Expand it. Here we find our printer name. This is a series printer. In this series printer, there are many printers. Click on this recommended. Here we find recommended and click on this download. Click on download. It's redirect you to the another web page and download is started at the top. Here we find our download is started and it's take few minutes or few seconds depending on the speed of your internet. Our download is almost completed. Go to the downloads. Click on showing folder. Minimize it and drag this setup file to desktop. Close it. Here we find our setup file, and this setup file we are going to install this setup file. That is very easy. Double click on it or right click on it, click on run as administrator, wait for a few seconds and click on the yes. After that, it's unzip our files and installation is started. It's take few minutes, so be patient and wait for a few minutes to unzip. Now unzip process started, and after unzip our installation is started in a few seconds. Wait for a few seconds to start our installation on our PC or laptop. Here we find installation is started. Click on next. Select this terms and conditions or agreement. Select this, check these two options and click on the next. Here we find 3 IMP options: USB connection, second is the wireless network connection or using your Wi-Fi or router. Because if you want to select the wireless network, then click on here, and if you want to select your printer or attach your printer later to your PC or laptop, then select this. I go with the USB connection. I select USB connection and click on the next. After that, attach your PC or laptop USB cable. Attach to your PC or laptop USB cable to your printer and make sure your printer is power on. Make sure if your printer is on, and after that click on the next. After that, this kind of box is open. Click on next, and this box is open. Here we find advanced option. If you want to change the name, then click on here and click on the advanced options and give any name that you like. I give this name HP Laser 108W. Okay, if you want to share this printer, then click on this share this printer, click on the apply. Here we find many options. Go with the OK. Click on this change the name that if you want and click on the OK. After that, click on the next. After that, our installation is started, and here we find our installation is started and it's take 1 to 2 minutes. So be patient and wait for 1 to 2 minutes to properly install this printer on our Windows 10 PC or laptop. After that, check our printer is properly installed or not. Go to the start, type printers and scanners, click on the printers and scanner. In a printers and scanner, scroll down and find HP LaserJet 108W. If you find that printer, that means your printer is properly installed and it's work 110% in Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you guys.